Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So pretty crazy day here, big volume, and then the price was all over the place. But let's like I said, let's map out some levels of support and then resistance. For support, for this to make the best sense, I got to scrunch up the chart here like this. And the key level of support that the bulls did a very good job of holding was right here at 45 cents. You can see back here in the history of the chart, the price fell all the way down there, and then that's where the buyer stepped in. And then today, okay, technically speaking, I suppose the price went slightly below it, but quickly snapped back above it. So 45 cents, is indeed that key level of support. And the last time it was down there, a very nice move happened. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that just because it, skyrocketed like that last time. I wish the market was that easy, but no such thing as a guarantee. So I can't sit here and say that it's skyrocketing back upwards. But would I be so shocked? Would I be surprised to see some sort of bounce? No, it wouldn't be surprising at all. But like I said, you can't sit here and make that guarantee or anything like that. So going into next week, 45 cents, definitely that key level of support. Now we can zoom back in here a little bit and talk about some areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right up here at the 48.5 cent mark. That one stands out to me because the bulls were putting together a nice bounce here, and then that is where the party ran out of steam right there, and then the price did head back down. So 48.50, that initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key area to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So no doubt about it, some good price action today. Some interesting levels now that have been kind of made themselves known. Some lines drawn in the sand, especially down there at about 45 cents. So we'll see what happens with this one going into next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.